Welcome to Module 5.3, Decision Rules. In this lesson, we are continuing the Develop Systems section of Order. The goal is simple: help you turn repeated work into something visible, usable, and easier for your team to follow. If the same issues keep coming back to you, you are in the right place. This lesson is not here to judge what you have built. It is here to help you make the business clearer, one practical step at a time. The team keeps asking for permission. Low-risk decisions still wait for you. People may know the task, but not the limits. The business pauses because the decision rule is not visible. That does not mean you are failing as a leader. It often means the business is asking for clearer guidance, a written rule, a checklist, a handoff, or a standard that can be used without your constant involvement. Here is the key lesson for this module. Decision rules turn permission into clarity. This is where repeated problems begin becoming systems. You're not being asked to build a massive operations manual overnight. You're being asked to turn one recurring point of dependence into one visible, usable business asset. The goal is progress, not perfection. One useful rule, checklist, or playbook page can create more relief than another long conversation that has to be repeated next week. By the end of this lesson, you will complete 3 practical deliverables. First, you will create the decision inventory. You will list the recurring decisions that currently come back to you for approval. Second, you will complete the decision rule builder. You will define who can decide, what limits apply, what standards should be used, and when the decision must escalate. Third, you will create the decision transfer message. You will write a clear message that gives the owner permission to make the decision within the rule. Each deliverable helps move founder knowledge out of your head and into a format the business can use. Your activity is the decision rule builder. Use this activity to make the business more visible, more teachable, and less dependent on you. Ask yourself, what keeps coming back to me? What is unclear to the team? What rule, checklist, owner, or standard would make this easier to repeat? Your quick win is this: transfer one low-risk decision this week with a written rule, a limit, and a clear done standard. Keep it small enough to finish. The first version does not need to be perfect. It needs to be clear enough to test. Your implementation prompt is transfer one decision using the rule. This step moves the lesson from information into action. It gives you one immediate experience of founder freedom by reducing one repeated point of dependence. As you complete this module, remember that order is built one clear decision, one written rule, one transferred responsibility, and one improved rhythm at a time.